We welcome you to the turnover ceremony and inauguration of office buildings constituting the Regional Trial Court, Branch 11, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon, Provincial Prosecution Sub-Office of Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon, Public Attorney's Office, and Parole and Probation Office of Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon.
I'd like to take this opportunity once again to thank each and every one of you for making this dream of a brand new Regional Trial Court Office a reality here in Manolo Fortich. And it's also an honor for me to be with all you honorable judges. We need public infrastructure for public justice. Kung gusto nato na maayo na epektibo na justice system, kinahanglan na naisab kitay equally effective ng mga pasilidades nga atong magamit para sa pang-adlaw-adlaw natong activities sa atong judiciary o sa mga panghinahanglan sa atong katawhan. With this new building, we hope to empower the RTC Branch 11 to deliver a higher standard of service and to attend to the faster dispensation of justice for our people here in Manolo Fortich and Bukidnon. As you can see, this invokes pride for those who are residing here, who are working here, from the PAO to the different offices, the administrator, court administrator, from the fiscals to the honorable judges. It also invokes respect. Just like the Senate building, it should invoke respect and also dignity and pride. But at the same time, it will also remind us of the traditions, rules of law, rules of court that we so vehemently try to pursue. Until 2028, aton humanon, tanan mga kanangkaraan nato mga Hall of Justices para by the end of my term, at least that could be one of my pride and joy that we were able to fix up your Hall of Justice in the different courts of Bukidnon. Mabuhay kitang tanan, dagan salamat, and may God bless us all. Salamat.